Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and NINZA Pro Traders. Looks like last night we had an open of around 2046.50, yeah, somewhere in here, and we just continued the upward move up into our second zone up here, right at the 53 level, and then right up into this red dash DTZ at this 2056 level. As you can see, right, and then stop at the 2060. We know from historical purposes this 2060 very strong resistance type area, anywhere from 60 to 62, and we actually have a zone 62 to 64 today for this resistance, along with prior pivots, more than one, obviously. It's going to be a very strong resistance area to get through this morning, or anytime today, actually. So be on the lookout. So overnight high was the 2060 itself. Of course, the overnight low was the open at 2046.50. So let's take a look. After the moves, we came right back down through this zone, retested this at about the 2050.75. So most of the consolidation occurred right in our zone from yesterday and today. They're almost identical. And as we look through this, we see we're still right here below the 24-hour VWAP and our moving average. So we are right here at 2054 at 727 on the 5th of May. We're looking for weekly jobless claims at 7:30 Central, so just a few minutes. And then we have natural gas at 9:30 and a couple of Fed speakers later on today. So just be on the lookout for those. And of course, FOMC tomorrow morning. Not FOMC, I'm sorry. Non-farm payroll tomorrow morning. So we'll be looking for that as well. So let's take a look at what we might look for today. Since we consolidated this area on the move after yesterday, we're looking for further consolidation along this zone until we break above this DTZ right here at 56.75. After that, look again for another test right here, 53. And this time, if we get this test, a sharp failure right here would be a mini head and shoulders on this 5 minute chart, and we're going to drop straight down and probably come down and retest this 2040 level from yesterday. So be on the lookout for those moves. They're going to stop and pause right here at the 2450, probably rebound up to the 47 before coming all the way down to this area. Now that's if a good move down. So pre-market support, we're looking right at 2048, and this is just very minor support right in here. As we look for what we want to look for here is a move to the upside, continue up for a double top. At the double top at 2060, look for a retracement through this red dash zone, probably all the way down to 54 in this area. It may stop right here at the 56 area and then straight up to our next target into this zone at 62. Now, there's a great place to take some profits off the table if you're trading and and be ready for the positions for the rest of the drive up today. So unsure about what's going to bring non-farm payroll news into play for today that's coming out in the morning. So you need to be real cautious about today. Bounce down to here after testing the zone, right back to test this double top at 59.75. After that, look for a drive all the way up into 56, or excuse me, 66 area. A little bit of retrace to test this zone. It needs to hold. If it doesn't hold, we're going right back down into here. If this area holds, look for the next move up to 69 and possibly all the way up to the 74 into this top zone at 77 today. This could be a very likely move today, so just be on the lookout for it. It won't be a straight up move, so be cautious and get your trades in early. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers. Any questions, give me an email at frank@tradestalkers.com and have a great day.